Hey guys, just a quick video here on the MS201T chainsaw. It's the top handle chainsaw and I'm doing a throttle and choke linkage. This saw came in my shop here all in pieces and it took me ages to figure this out. So I just thought I'd give you guys a quick view here of what the throttle and choke linkages are. And also take note of the switch knob over here. It does have a linkage going to it. And also take a good note of these plastic parts here. This one here goes to the throttle. There's another linkage below it to the carb. This one here goes to the carburetor choke. And there is another linkage that goes to the carb. So again, here's a quick look. Now I'm going to put this top cover back on. I'm going to take a cover off the back of the carb and show you the linkages back there. Now when I put these back on, I like to leave it on the side here because I don't want to disrupt any of the linkages. Now I've got the side cover on and you can see the two linkages in the back of the carb. This is the choke one that I showed you on the inside, and if you look inside over here you can see the throttle one. And the throttle linkage connects right where my screwdriver is. There's a tiny hole there. And here's a diagram to show you. This is the throttle one, but actually this comes up the other way. But it connects right on the throttle lever on the carb on the right hand side. And then the throttle linkage hooks up onto this orange piece. And here's the choke linkage again. It connects to the orange piece like this that is ahead of this one on the handle. And here's another view. I just thought I'd make the video because I spent ages putting this back together. It came in the shop all busted. I had no reference as to where any of these linkages went. I went online and found the parts list, but these can be vague as well. For example, it shows the linkage hanging downwards on the carburetor here for the throttle, but actually it's swinged up in the upward position. Now there are things you have to figure out even if you do have a parts list, but it does come in handy to show you the position of the linkages and to show you where they connect. So everything's good and I'm happy with that. It's good to try it out because this part over here is also part of the on and off switch for the saw, and you want to make sure that works as well when you're done this job. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe and bookmark this video for future reference. You can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and have yourselves a great day.